How to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay. Hey everyone, it's me Shreya from Lemme Help. Let's dive into the video. First thing first, all you have to do is open the MoonPay app. In there, simply tap the buy and sell icon. Then after that, first A, tap buy. Then B, select the currency you want to pay with. Then C, enter the amount. And D, select the crypto you want to buy. After you do so, all you have to do is next A, choose your payment method, and B, third-party fiat API provider if available when you are ready, and C, tap on the buy. After that, continue following these steps as shown on the screen. Enter your email address, tap continue, or sign in with a Google or Apple account. You will be asked to verify your account if it is your first time buying crypto with MoonPay. All customers, regardless of the amount spent, are required to go through the verification process. Now, continue through the remaining steps until you have completed the verification process. When verification is confirmed, you will receive an email with the link directing you back to MoonPay where you can complete your order. If you are already verified, continue to the next step. Now, enter your payment details. To view fees, you will have to tap on the A, tap on the summary drop-down arrow, and B, check the box to agree to the terms of use, and then on the C, tap pay. And that's it, you will receive an order confirmation email from MoonPay and your crypto will generally arrive between 5 to 20 minutes. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.